As a student, one of the most stressful moments can be when you are taking an online exam with Proctoria and suddenly encounters connection issues. Not being able to connect to Proctoria can result in a lot of frustration and anxiety, especially if you are running out of time. But don't worry, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to fix the problem and get back on track with your exam. Hi, my name is Abhyanshu Rao and let's start the video. The first thing is to check your internet connection. Proctoria requires a stable and fast internet connection to work properly. If your internet connection is unstable or slow, it can cause connection issues with Proctoria. Try moving closer to your router to improve the signal strength or connect to a wired Ethernet connection if available. This can provide a more stable and faster connection than Wi-Fi. The next step is to check your browser and Proctoria extensions. Make sure that you are using a supported browser and that you have installed the necessary Proctoria extensions. Proctoria currently supports Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. If you are using Google Chrome, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Proctoria extension. Make sure that it's installed and enabled. You can also try disabling other extensions that may interfere with Proctoria. If you have checked your internet connection and browser settings and the connection still isn't working, the next step is to contact Proctoria support. They can provide further assistance and troubleshoot any technical issues with the system. When contacting Proctoria support, make sure that you provide detailed information about the issue you are facing. This can help them quickly identify and resolve the problem. It's important to remember that Proctoria connection can happen to anyone, even with a perfect setup. Don't panic and don't be afraid to reach out for help. Thank you for watching and I hope this video was helpful to you.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.